Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at if function. If function in Microsoft Excel. And when you are talking about if function in Microsoft Excel, it goes with logical statements. Now, if you look at this instruction, let's read. Kindly multiply any profit that is greater than or equals to 1000 by 2. So this is my logical statement. This is my logical statement. This is what I want to set. Are you there? So it means here that any profit here that is greater than or equals to 1000 will be multiplied by 2. Will be multiplied by 2. So I want to use if function to achieve this result. So let's go. That will be equals to if our logical statement, that is logical test, that will be if profit is greater than or equals to what? 1000. That will be comma, let's see the next argument, value if true. So what will be our value if true? That is, what if it is true, what should we return? Now if it is true, what I want is multiply that profit by 2. So that will be profit multiply by 2. Let's put our comma again. Then value if false. What if it is not true? That is, what if it doesn't obey your logical statement? What should we return? That will be value if false. So that will be, I want you to return nothing. So nothing will now be quotation space quotation and close my bracket, hit my enter. So if you look at my results here, this is nothing, there is nothing here, right? This cell is empty, nothing. Now is 1000, is row 6 also empty, is row 7 also empty based on our logical statement, is row 9 also empty, is row 10 also empty, is row 11 also empty, knowing fully well that this result here is equals to 1000, this one is greater than 1000, this one is greater, this one also is greater, and this one also is greater. So let me autofill so that we can see. Now can you see now? We have 2000, we have 3000, we have 4000, we have 10,000, and we have 5000. I hope you've learned something again today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Thank you.